What's up, everybody? Josh and Jericho here. This will be the next raffle. The VS410 Phoenix should be finished up and should know the winner. And this is the next raffle. It is an Axial SCX 10 Pro with a Power Hobby servo, a Spectrum 2300 all-in-one. It has BF Goodrich crawlers and G8 compound. It has dual stage foams, and yes, I know they're Endura style wheels, but they are the iridescent and they really match the paint well. But this one is no overdrive setup right now. It is still in 1-to-1, but the transmission is selectable if you don't know about the SCX 10 Pro. It has a lever underneath. You just pull a bobby pin and it will adjust, and you can be at 40% underdrive. It underdrives the rear. So if you're into comp type crawling, this truck can do that, and it can just be a trail truck with a 1-to-1 ratio. This is honestly its maiden voyage. As you guys are all seeing it now, we're just first time driving it. Now I do have another Pro that I've set up before, so kind of knew what I was doing. I painted this. It is a dish soap style paint with Spastics colors. Well, Jericho's trying to give it its first scratches, but he made it through without. With Spastic colors, and I think it looks really good. These trucks are super capable, and it just works. So here it is, SCX 10 Pro, cliffhanger body. Thanks to Horizon Hobby for their donations for this, and hopefully you get in on it. Tickets will be $20 a piece. The goal, just like the Vanquish VS410 raffle that ended, is 50 tickets, but they will keep taking tickets until the raffle closes. So, hope you get in on it and enjoy the truck. Good luck.